In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do multi-scale planning in Obsidian. Multi-scale planning simply means keeping your yearly, quarterly, and monthly plans connected so your day-to-day work actually moves the big goals forward. We'll build a simple structure in Obsidian that's clean, flexible, and easy to maintain. Open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want your plans to live. In the File Explorer, create a new folder and name it Plan. This keeps everything in one place and makes it easy to filter or search later. Inside that folder, create a new note called Yearly Planning. This is your high-level compass. Add the big outcomes you want by year's end, the themes you want to emphasize, and a short rationale for why each outcome matters. Use clear headings like vision, key outcomes, focus areas, and metrics. If it helps, limit yourself to a handful of outcomes so you stay focused. Write outcomes as results, not tasks, and include how you'll measure success. You can also add constraints or assumptions so decisions later make sense in context. Create another new note in the same folder and name it Quarterly Planning. Think of quarters as bridges between your yearly outcomes and your monthly execution. Add 3 to 5 quarterly objectives that directly support the yearly outcomes plus milestones you expect to hit by certain weeks. Break objectives into projects or work streams, list any dependencies, and capture risks. Checkboxes are great here. Obsidian will let you tick them off as you go. If you like, reference the related yearly outcome right inside the note so the connection is always visible. Next, create a new note named Monthly Planning. This is where strategy turns into a plan you can actually do. Define the month's top priorities that roll up to the quarter, the key events or deadlines, and the capacity you realistically have. Turn milestones into specific tasks. Add dates if you use a calendar plugin, and group tasks by project. A short reflection section, what carried over, what you're saying no to, keeps the month grounded. Keep your headings consistent across these notes so scanning is effortless, and consider simple tags like #yearly, #quarterly, and monthly for quick filtering. That's it. With 3 notes inside a single plan folder, you've created a lightweight system that scales. Update the notes as you learn and let each month ladder up to the quarter and each quarter to the year.